Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tolong dinyalain ininya ya, aktifkan videonya. Halo, saudara sekalian, ini adalah kuliah terakhir. Oh, sebentar, saya absen dulu ya. Saya absen dulu. Kuliah terakhir yang isinya adalah ya mestinya ya, mestinya presentasi kedua ya semuanya itu. Nggak mau, kenapa ini ya. Presentasi kedua, tapi kemarin ya karena dibutuhkan ini apa, dibutuhkan 2 kali pertemuan atau 3 kali pertemuan minimum ya untuk satu kelas itu. Jadi ada yang pertama, ada yang kedua. Ini kelas apa sih ini? Halo?
Kelas A, Pak.
Nah,
Kelas A, Pak.
hilang ya dari psikologi saya. Oh, ini ada. Ada. Oke, saya absen dulu. Ini mestinya yang ada itu dari membersnya. Mahasiswanya ada 33 orang. 33 orang. Ini kok kacau ini. Oh, kita kemarin ada kuliah tanggal 4 ya? Oke. Yang mengganti apa itu? Tanggal 4 itu mengganti tanggal berapa? Oh. Ini kok tidak ada yang jawab ya pertanyaannya.
Mengganti yang tanggal 1, Pak.
Ya. Ada 15 orang ya. Nah, begini. Yang sudah 2 kali ya. Itu mungkin kalau ada perlu silahkan tidak perlu hadir ya. Yang sudah 2 kali ya. Oke. Saya ulangi lagi. Yang sudah 2 kali tidak perlu hadir karena sudah saya absen itu. Sebagai contoh ini, Mbak Evi berapa kali udah?
Saya baru 1 kali, Pak.
1 kali ya. Yang sudah 2 kali boleh kalau ada keperluan silakan ya. Keluar dari kelas. Ya. Jadi sekarang ya, mestinya yang kedua ini ya. Saya itu kalau yang masih ada yang belum ini mah gawat itu ya. Jadi sekarang kita akan mulai saja ya. Mulai saja. Your time is about 3 to 5 minutes. Topiknya hanya satu ya. Jadi ada kemarin itu sudah 2 kali, boleh tidak masuk. Yang TMIE. TMIE. Kelas A ya. Yang sudah 2 kali boleh tidak masuk. Oke, siapa sekarang yang pertama? Will be the first for this morning. Ya, Mbak, ini sudah senyumnya Mbak Anissa.
Saya mau, Pak. Aduh,
Saya kedua, Pak.
Yang kedua, oke. Ya.
Saya kedua. Saya
Ya,
pertama,
ya.
Pak.
Saya ketiga, Pak.
Ketiga enggak usah.
Saya ketiga.
Yang sudah 2 kali boleh, kalau ada mau masak atau mau ke pasar silakan ya. Oke.
Itu
Oke,
maksudnya Kirana,
saya
dia
maju.
maju
yang pertama
Ketiga,
tadi,
Pak.
Mbak.
Kirana maju ketiga, Pak. Saya, Pak.
Sebentar, Mbak. Ya, sekarang. Ya. Ya. Ya, Anissa Benita itu ya harus 2
Iya,
kali
Pak.
hari ini. Oke. Tapi sekali dulu, nanti jangan keluar, teman ini mulai lagi ya. Silakan Mbak Anissa.
Ini saya maju yang kedua ya, Pak.
Hah?
Ini saya pakai
Anissa
tablet, Pak. Tapi kalau bagikan layar, Anissa saya, Pak, tanpa H.
Iya, Anissa Benita atau? Ya, silakan.
Iya, Pak.
Ini yang kedua atau yang
Ini
pertama?
tapi, Pak, sebentar ya, Pak. Yang kedua, Pak.
Oke, pertanyaan saya. Nah, yang kedua. Ya, silakan.
Iya, oke, Pak. Sebentar ya, Pak. Tapi, Pak, katanya ini kalau pakai dia nggak bisa ini, Pak. Nggak bisa nyalain kamera. Nggak apa-apa, Pak.
Oh, gimana kita tahu?
Iya, ini jadi benar.
Dia punya laptop nggak?
Ada, Pak.
Punya laptop nggak?
Ada, Pak. Tapi ininya di sini, Pak. Ini nulis, Pak.
Dia pindah ke
Nggak bisa,
laptop.
Pak.
Pindahin ke laptop.
Laptopnya nggak bisa buat nulis, Pak. Ini bisanya di tablet.
Oke, coba.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will presentation about representing the data, tabel and histogram. Example, we have a list patient for 1 week. So Monday there are 35 people. So Tuesday there are 30 people. Wednesday there are 22 people. Tuesday there are 15 people. Friday and there are 35. Saturday there are 15 people. This is one way to show data. Remember, data is just recording information. That could be numeric like this. It could be quantitative. So there are all different type of data. But let's just start about different ways to represent this data. So this is one way. You could view this as a table where you have the day, the day, and then you have the people. So you have
The number,
people.
the number of the people.
Oh yeah, number of the people. So you have day column, and then you have people column. So this is a table. But you could also do it in other ways. So you could record it as oftentimes called a bar graph or sometimes a histogram. So you could put people on the vertical axis here.
The number, not people.
Yeah, number of
the
people.
Number.
You have code day over here. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. So Monday, yeah, 35 people. So the bar will go up to 35. So this is Monday. And then, so there are 30 people. And so the bar will go up to 30. So Wednesday, 52 people. So the bar will go up to 22. And Tuesday there are 15 people. And then, Friday there are 35. So the bar will go up to 35. And then Saturday there are 15 people. So the bar will go up to 15. So this is another way of representing the data. And here we see is visual form information. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for Mbak Anissa. Okay, that's okay. Thank you. Okay. Ya.
Pak, maaf sebelumnya saya ini ya Pak keluar soalnya saya mau mau pergi dulu, mau ke stasiun ngejar kereta.
Wah, kok kereta dikejar?
Iya Pak.
Ya, oke. Ini sudah 2 kali atau baru sekali?
Udah 2 kali Pak, yang kemarin udah.
Silakan ya. Oke.
Makasih ya Pak.
Ngejar jangan dari depan, nanti ketabrak situ. Ya.
Oh iya Pak, siap. Ya, okay. Makasih ya. Pak.
Oke. Hati-hati. Ya, harus pakai tangan panjang bajunya. Di kereta harus tangan panjang, harus pakai jaket ya. Oke, who's next?
Saya Pak.
Ya, Mbak Anissa Nurjana. Oke.
Iya.
Oke.
Ini saya maju yang kedua Pak.
Iya, oke. Ya, oke. Ya, setelah itu boleh keluar ya. Oke. Oke.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning all. Here I will presentation about lines and degrees. And this is an example question. Look at the picture below. This is triangles A, B, C, and we have the triangle have angles A to x plus 4 degrees and B xx plus 1 degrees and C 4x plus 7 degrees. The question is, what is the angle of BAC? BAC is BAC, so we have to find the angle of this is. First, we have to find the x. To find the x, we can get with the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write 2x plus 4 degrees plus angles of B, x plus 1 degrees plus angle of C, 4x plus 7 degrees is 180 degrees. And then 2x plus 8x plus 4x is 15x plus 4 degrees plus 1 degrees plus 7 degrees is 12 is 180 degrees. And then 14x is 168 degrees. So we find x is 12. Okay, next we have to subtract the x to x plus 4 degrees. Angle of BAC is 2x plus 4 degrees. So subtract the x, 2 times 12 plus 4 degrees. 24 plus 4 degrees. So we have 28 degrees. And done. So the angle of BAC is 28 degrees. Okay, thank you, sir.
Oke.
Now,
Oke, thanks Mbak Anissa. Who's next? Mbak Anissa boleh pergi. Ya. Next.
Mister
Oke,
Kirana.
Mbak Kirana. Oke, Mbak.
Udah keluar belum, Pak?
Ya, udah.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I will to explain about Pythagorean theorem. To find the value of x in this example, notice that we have a right triangle. Question: use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing value. The Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the squares of the length of the leg of a right triangle is equal to same the square of the length of the hypotenuse. Or a square plus b square equals c square, where a and b are the lengths of the leg of a right triangle and c is the length of the hypotenuse. So here, since the leg of the right triangle have length 6 and 8, and the hypotenuse has length of 8, we can set up the equation 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. Simplifying from here, 6 squared is 6 times 6, or 36. And x squared is 8 times 8 or 64. So we have 36 plus 64 equals x squared. Next, 36 plus 64 is 100. And we have 100 equals x squared. Now to get x by itself, since x is squared, we take the square root of the both sides of the equation. On the right, the square roots, and on the left, since 100 is the perfect, is 10 squared, 10 equals x. Okay, the result of x is 10 as our final answer. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Oke, Mbak
wabarakatuh.
Kirana. Waalaikumsalam. Oke, silakan keluar. Tapi harus diingat Mbak Kirana, segitiga tadi itu segitiga siku ya. Right triangle, not right triangle. Oke. Oke, Mbak Kirana. Mbak Kirana ada yang ini.
Yeah, right triangle.
Yang pertama, yang kedua ini udah.
Ini yang kedua, sir. Yang pertama yang
Ya, oke.
persamaan binomial.
Oke.
Yang FOIL method.
Oke. Karena itu boleh.
Saya izin live ya, sir.
Ya, silakan izin ya. Oke. Who's next?
Bisa, Mel.
Sir.
Sudah Mbak Mega yang duluan ya. Ya, Mbak Mega duluan. Oke, Mbak Mega. Oke.
Terlihat tidak, Pak?
Good, ya bagus. Ya. Cuman orangnya tidak kelihatan, kepalanya hilang. Nah, baru kelihatan tuh. Oke, good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Bagusnya duduk di kursi, Mbak. Mbak, mestinya duduk di kursi.
Di luar lagi berisik, Pak, soalnya.
Oh, ya oke. Ya, silakan. Ya, oke.
Okay, now we'll talk about inverse of matrix. Let's say we have matrix A here. Nah, matrix A in a matrices. And identity matrix is one or unity. So we can ask matrix A multiplied by what will give us an identity matrix. Instead of writing 1 over A, we write something called A inverse. A inverse. This is inverse of matrix. A with -1 as a superscript. Then we can say A multiplied by A inverse equals identity matrix. Now we look for the example. We are given matrix A here. It's 2 by 2 matrix. And for this matrix, we are given A inverse. And we'll check if this product will give us an identity matrix. This is matrix A, and this is A inverse. For getting first element here, we multiplied first row with first column. 2 times 1 plus 1 times -1. We'll get 2 minus 1. And second element, we multiplied first row with second column. We'll get -2 plus 2. For the third element, we multiplied second row with first column. 1 times 1 plus 1 times -1. We'll get 1, -1. And for the last element, we multiply second row with second column. 1 times -1 plus 1 times 2. We'll get -1 plus 2. And now we calculate this matrix, or 4, 11. 2 times 1, 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Negative 1 plus 2 equals 0. And 1
negative 2.
Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0, and negative 1 plus 2 is 1. This is an identity matrix. So we proved that this product, or A inverse here, will give us an identity matrix. Enough, sir.
Okay, thanks, Mbak.
Yeah.
Okay. Mbak Mega, itu
Yes,
bukan
sir.
bukti ya.
Ya.
Just show ya. Okay. So, bukan bukti. Karena kan menggunakan contoh-contoh. Kalau menggunakan contoh itu bukan bukti, ya.
Ya.
Kalau contoh saja. Okay, thanks. Okay, who's next? Mbak Afi? Ya, okay, Mbak Afi.
Ya.
Okay.
Hello. Share. Sudah terlihat belum?
Sudah.
Sudah. Apa? Do you ever get this problem? If you ever have met this problem that makes you to find the reflection of point K 2, negative 1 for point P 4, 5. Notice the point P is the point of point K's mirror. To get the K mirror. Yes. To get the corresponding point of point K, that reflection for point P, we can identify 2 as X and negative 1 as Y, and 4 as A and 5 as B. And to get the corresponding point of X, you will get 2 times A and get minus X as the formula. And then you can go the number to this formula, and you will get 2 times 4 minus 2, and you'll get 6 as the result. And same as you find the corresponding point of X, you can just change the A with B and X with Y. And then you will get 2 times 5 minus negative 1. And minus times negative is plus. So you'll get 11 as the result. And so the conclusion of this problem is corresponding point of K and reflection
of point K.
Reflection of point K for point P is 6,11. That's it, sir.
Okay, thanks for Mbak Afif. Ya, okay. Ini sudah yang kedua.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go. Okay. Go, who's next?
Me, sir.
Ya, Mbak Titis.
Sudah, Pak.
Belum, Tis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
No. Kita belum lihat, Mbak. Belum, Mbak.
Belum, Mbak. Oh, iya sebentar, Pak.
Ini pakai laptop ya? Ya, Mbak.
Oh.
Mbak Titis.
Iya, pakai laptop.
Yang pilihnya apa itu? Tab,
Iya,
jendela, Windows atau apa? Pilihannya.
Pakainya yang
Kan ada 3 pilihan toh.
di sini ada 2, yang entire screen sama a Windows.
Oke. Kita buka dulu yang ini ya, yang mau ditampilkan itu buka dulu. Tapi masuk Windows.
Dismiss, Pak. Gagal
Ya.
ini.
Dismiss.
Iya.
Waktu minggu kemarin gimana? Sebelumnya.
Minggu kemarin bisa.
Nah,
Permission in order. Cannot share your screen, Pak. Di sini tulisannya you need permission in order to screen share.
ya sudah diizinkan toh. Oh, mungkin setelannya. Kalau sini semua diizinkan toh.
Sebentar, Pak. Ini saya coba lagi. Atau kalau enggak yang lain dulu saja, Pak.
Ya oke,
Ini
yang
saya-
lain dulu. What's next?
Ya.
Siapa yang ini nanti? Oh, ini masuk. Oh, bukan. Ya, siapa? Silakan. Mbak Titis nanti aja.
Iya, Pak.
Ya. Terus?
Saya, Pak.
Oke, Mbak Afifah lagi.
Tadi beda.
Oh,
tadi
tadi-
Afifatul. Saya
Iya,
Afifah
iya.
Henda.
Ya, oke, silakan, Mbak.
Sudah kelihatan.
Baru muncul on the way. Ya. Ya, oke.
Satu. I will explain about algebra expression. What is algebra? Algebra is the part of mathematics in which letter and other general symbol are used to represent numbers and quantities in formula and equation. A combination of constant and variable connected by the sign of fundamental operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is called an algebraic expression. 2x plus 3y and 5 is called algebra expression. 2x, 3y, and 5 is called term. Term
Called.
is a word or phrase.
Jangan call it.
Apa?
Called. Called.
Call.
Ya.
2x, 3y, and 5 called term. Term is a word or phrase used to describe a thing or to express a concept. Variable and their coefficient or constant in algebraic expression separated by the sum or difference operation. 2 and 3 is called coefficient. Coefficient is a number containing the variable of a term in algebraic expression. X and Y is called variable. Variable is symbol that replaces a number whose value is not clearly known. And 5 is called constant. Constant is a number that does not contain a variable and has a known value clearly. Example: Mr. Thohir has 2 types of livestock and chicken that Mr. Thohir owns are 27 cows and 1,500 chicken, respectively. All cow and chicken will be sold to a livestock trader. If the price of one cow is expressed in X rupiah and the price of one chicken is in Y rupiah, write down the algebraic expression of the price of Pak Thohir livestock. Answer: the price of one cow equals X rupiah, and the price of one chicken equals Y rupiah. Cost of 27 cow equals 27X rupiah, and cost of 1,500 chicken equals 1,500 Y rupiah. The algebraic expression of the price for Pak Thohir livestock is 27X plus 1,500 Y.
Okay, thanks Mbak Hafifah. Okay, who's next? Siapa selanjutnya? Oke, Mbak Nia. Silakan Mbak Nia. Aktifkan videonya, Mbak. Mana Mbak Nianya? Oke Mbak, go. Mbak, tolong aktifkan videonya Mbak. Ya, silakan Mbak. Mikrofon juga Mbak, dinyalain Mbak. Mbak Nia. Oke.
Sorry, sir.
Oke. Oke, ready?
Yes. Okay, today I will present the types permutation and their formulas. The first type, permutation of n elements, permutation consisting of n elements. The formula is Pnn equals n permutation or n equals n permutation. The second type is permutation of n elements. Its permutation consists of r elements with r is greater than n. The formula is Pnr equals nr equals Prn equals n permutation over n minus r permutation factorial. The third type is permutation of n elements containing the same P, Q, and R. The formula is n K1, K2, Kt equals n factorial over 1 factorial K2 factorial to Kt factorial. The fourth type is cyclic permutation. That is n p cyclic equals n minus 1 factorials. The last type is repetitive permutation of n elements. The type of permutation consists of k elements. The formula is Pn equals n. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Mbak Nia. Okay. You can stop the presentation. Who's next?
Me, sir.
Okay, Mbak Nurul.
Sudah terlihat, Pak.
Yeah. Go.
So today I'm gonna tell you about statistic that's called mean. So here we have a problem that Rudy's mathematics test scores in one semester are 60, 70, 70, 60.
Mbak, sebentar, Mbak.
Ya,
Itu
Pak.
mikrofonnya bisa dipegang, Mbak. Jatuhin aja gitu.
Terlalu jauh, Pak, nanti.
Enggak, yang jelas kok. Nah,
Jelas, Pak.
Iya, jelas.
So here we have Rudy's mathematics test scores in one semester are 60, 70, 70, 60, 80, 80, 60, and 80. So help Rudy to find out his mean test scores. So first of all, we need to know what is the mean. Mean in everyday language is usually called as average. Mean and average are just two different terms for the exact same property of a data set. And how to find the mean of a data set, you can sum all the number of the data set and then divide it by the numbers of data set. So here we have the general to find the mean of a data set, which is xi is all the number of a data set that including for x1, x2, and until xn, and n is the number of a data set. So let's help Rudy to find out his mean test scores. So we have 8 numbers of a data set here, and mean or x bar of Rudy's mathematics test scores is the sum of all the number, which is 560 divided by 8. So we got 70 as Rudy's mathematics test scores. That's all, sir.
Okay, thanks, Pak Nurul. Okay. Now, will be next.
Saya, Pak.
Okay, Mbak Nitiana. Okay.
Kok belum? Sudah, Pak. Sudah terlihat atau belum, Pak?
Ya, oke.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will presentation about point coordinate. A question. How is position B pointed on the y-axis and the x-axis and the y-axis? From the picture show point B is at a 4.4. The y-axis is a vertical line, then the x point is far from the y-axis. The x-axis is a horizontal line, then the y point far from the x-axis. So it can be said, point B is 4 units from the y-axis and 4 units from the x-axis. Sudah, Pak.
Oke, Mbak Nitiana. Oke, thank
Pak,
you.
terima kasih, Pak.
Oke. Will be next. Titis.
Saya,
Oke, Puspa atau Titis?
dulu, Pak.
Oke, Mbak Puspa.
Titis dulu aja, Pak.
Titis, ya silakan Titis.
Oh, Titis. Iya, Pak.
Titis dulu.
Saya coba pakai HP ya, Pak ya.
Ya, mana Mbak Titisnya? Ini sudah ada presentasi, tayangannya sudah ada, tapi tidak ada isinya.
Betul ya, Pak ya.
Cuman huruf T saja. Coba diaktifkan ini, Mbak. Aktifkan videonya, Mbak. Nah, keluar lagi nih.
Iya, Pak. Ini coba pakai HP.
HP. Ya, oke. Tapi tidak ada gambar HP-nya.
Ini possible, Pak.
Ini kayaknya masih laptop loh ini. Ya. Oke, kita tunggu aja lagi ya, Mbak Titis usaha lagi, Mbak Titis ya. Ya, siapa tadi Mbak Puspa? Silakan Puspa.
Iya Pak, mohon maaf
Ya.
Pak.
Iya Pak, saya.
Oke, Mbak Puspa silakan.
Sudah terlihat Pak.
Ya, oke.
Sudah Pak.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I want to present about arithmetic sequence. The formula for n term of an arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals first term plus n minus 1 times d, where is a sub n is the n term that you want to find. A sub 1 is the first term, n is the term number, and d is the common difference of term. Example, find the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence. 4, 7, 10, 13. Therefore, the known values that we will substitute in the arithmetic formula are 14 term is 4 plus 14 minus 1 times 3 equals 4 plus 13 times 3 equals 4 plus 39. And so this answer is 43. Sudah, sir.
Oke, thanks. Mbak Puspa. Oke, who's next? Ya, keluar dulu Mbak ini. Mbak Puspa keluar. Mbak Evi. Mbak Evi. Ya, let's go.
Sudah terlihat, Pak? Pak? Sudah terlihat?
Tapi aktifkan videonya ya.
Oh iya, benar Pak. Sudah Pak.
Ya. Ya, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will presentation about singular matrix. Singular matrix is a matrix that has a determinant equals 0, or singular matrix is a matrix that doesn't end in first. If A, determinant of A equals x 2, 8, 4. Answer, determine the value of x if A is a singular matrix. Answer, determinant of A equals 0. Determinant of A We substitute with x minus x times 4 minus 2 times x equals 0. X times 4x minus 2 times 8, 16 equals 0. Minus 16, we move to the right side so that 4x equals 16. X equals 16, 16 divided 4, x equals 4. So, the x value of matrix A is 4. Thank you.
Oke, thanks Mbak Evi. Oke, silakan keluar Mbak.
Oh yeah.
Oke, who's next?
Saya, Pak.
Saya, Pak.
Oke, ini dulu, Nanda dulu. Mbak Nanda dulu, baru nanti Mas ya. Nur, ya.
Sudah terlihat, Pak?
Belum.
Bentar.
Malah videonya mati tuh. Ulang lagi ya, yang sudah 2 kali silahkan. Kalau ada keperluan silahkan keluar.
Sudah.
Ya.
Belum. Sudah terlihat, Pak?
Sudah. Oke, Mbak Evi.
Now I want to explain about algebraic expression and term. Expression, we are familiar with the following type of numerical expression. 12 plus 6, 3 times 12, 6 times 3 plus 2, 15 minus 4 times 6.
15.
15 minus 4 times 6. Then, what is a variable? In the expression 12 plus p, the letter p is a variable. A variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown value. Algebraic expression. When variables are used with other number, parentheses, or operation, they create an algebraic expression. A plus 2, A times B, 3m plus 6n minus 6. What are coefficients? A coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable in an algebraic expression. 6m plus 5, coefficient is 6. Then 8r plus 7m plus 4, the coefficient is 8 and 7. 14b minus 8, the coefficient is 14. Then what is a term? A term is the name. What is a term?
Term, ya.
A term is a name given to a number, a variable, or a number and variable combined by multiplication or division.
algebraic expression. A plus 2 term is A and 2. Then 3n plus 6n minus 6, the term is 3n and 6n and minus 6. Then what are constant? A constant is a number that cannot change its value. In the expression 5x plus 7y minus 2. The constant is minus 2. Writing algebraic expression. You can translate word phrases into variable expression. For the example, 3 more than number equals x plus 3. Then the quotient of the number and x equals y over 8.
Yeah, 8.
6 times a number equals 6x n or 6n.
Bukan 6x ya. 6 times n. Kali itu bukan x Mbak, nomor 3 itu. 6 times a number. 6 times
a number n or 6
n.
times n.
Nah, 6n saja. 6 times n or 6n.
6 times n or 6n. Then 15 less than
15
less than a number equals z minus 15.
15.
Z
Bukan
minus
15.
Then the question of 30 and a number plus 10 equals 30 over plus
x
plus 10.
Okay, that's all. Stop, Mbak. Oh ya, thank you. Ya. Oke, thanks Mbak Nanda. Oke. Jadi Mas Nur tadi?
Iya, Pak.
Ya, oke, silakan. Aktifkan videonya. Ya, silakan Mas. Sekali lagi ya, yang sudah 2 kali silakan meninggalkan ruangan.
Sudah kelihatan, Pak?
Ya udah, oke. Mas Nur pakai HP ya?
Iya, Pak.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will present about 2 variable linear equation. Variable linear equation. To solve these 2 system of equation by elimination. The first goal is to elimination variable from 2 equation. For the example, we have equation for x plus y equals 4, 3x minus y equals 10. So, this equation we will elimination variable from 2 equation. Okay, the add by 2 equation. This 2 equation together have plus y and minus y, we will cancel out. On the left, we have for x plus 3x. 3x is 7x, and the right side is 5. 4 plus 10 is 14. So we will divide both sides by 7. So 7x divided 7 equals 14 divided 7. So x equals 2. To find the y simply look x equals to either two given equation. For the example, the first equation is 4x plus y equals 4. So 4 times 2 plus y equals 4. So x plus y equals 4. So subtracting x from the both side. So x minus x.
8, not x. 8
minus
8.
8 minus 8 plus y equals 4 minus 8. So y equals minus 4.
Negative 4. Negative 4.
Negative 4. So the answer x equals 2 and y equals negative 4.
Oke, Mas.
Thank you.
Mas, jangan keluar dulu ya. Ini judulnya itu ya. Itu bukan itu loh, bukan two variable linear equation, tapi system of linear equation ya. Oke. Ya, itu two variable ya. Oke. Oke, ya, silakan Mas, keluar Mas. Who's next? Ya. Nggak ada? Sudah 4. Mbak
Saya, Pak.
Istiqomah. Mbak Titisnya terlambat terus. Mbak Istiqomah, let's go. Suaranya. Ada ayam.
Sudah kelihatan, Pak?
Belum.
Belum.
Oh, udah, ya. Ya.
Oh, gitu.
Videonya aktifkan, Mbak.
Oh iya. Sebentar, Pak. Sudah kelihatan, nggih?
Nggih. Go, Mbak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Now, I will tell you about the second subject that I will make a video later. The subject is about the kinds of angles. There are 6 kinds of angles based on the angle size. First, acute angle, which is an angle formed from two lines whose magnitude is less than 90 degrees. An example of an acute angle can be seen in this image. The second is right angle, which is the resulting angle of two lines whose position is perpendicular and is exactly 90 degrees. Third, the obtuse angle, which is an angle formed from two lines with an angle of more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Fourth, straight angle, which is an angle formed by two intersecting straight lines and having an exact angle of 180 degrees. Fifth, reflect angle, which is an angle formed by two lines having an angle of more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. And the last is full angle, which is the angle formed from two lines and the angle is exactly of 360 degrees. An example of a full angle can be seen in this image. That's all, sir.
Okay, thanks Mbak Istiqomah. Okay, it's good. Okay, who's next? Mbak Titis lagi? Ya, Mbak.
Saya,
Oke,
Pak.
Mbak Erna. Okay. Aktifkan videonya, Mbak. Sepertinya ada yang nyangkul tuh.
Ampun, Pak.
Ya.
Sampun kelihatan.
Oh, dia kelihatan. Videonya aktif, Mbak. Videonya, Mbak.
Oh iya, Pak. Bentar, Pak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Here I want to present about building blocks of space.
Itu kok Mbak Ernanya nggak ada ya?
The block.
Mbak Ernanya kok nggak ada berganti.
Tapi ini sampun saya nyala ini, Pak. Tapi ini sampun saya cahayanya.
Oke.
The block space consists of their pair of rectangular sets. Their pair of facing sets are the same size and shape. On the block, there are two pairs of sets that are rectangular and one set is rectangular. Unlike the case with a cup which has a set of the rectangle. Building a block space of composite of several components, including sets, plane diagonal, angles, space diagonal, and diagonal planes.
Angle, Mbak.
Angle.
Angel itu penyanyi dangdut, Mbak.
Ya, Pak. Angle, space, diagonal, and diagonal planes. More detail below. 1. There are 6 sets with two being square and 4 being rectangular. 2. Base area A, B, C, D is rectangular. 3. Upper plane A, F, G, H is rectangular. 4. The perpendicular set of the curve A, B, E, F, and C, D, G, H are rectangular. A, D, E, H, and B, C, F, B, C, F, G are rectangle, are square. Fifth has 8 vertices, namely A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H. Six has 4 diagonal space, namely A, G, B, A, C, A, N, D, F. Seven has 6 diagonal first, namely A, C, A, F, A, H, B, D, B, A, B, G, G, H,
C
G,
lagi.
F, C, F, D, G, D, E, D, A, H, A, G, N, F, H. Oh.
Dah.
Ampun, Pak.
Oke, ini Mbak Erna, sebentar jangan tutup dulu Mbak ya. Itu teman-teman bisa lihat Mbak Ernanya nggak tadi itu? Waktu presentasi tadi. Video Mbak Erna nyala nggak? Nggak toh? Bisa ya?
Enggak, Pak.
Enggak, yang ada itu kan apa itu ya? Please, apa tuh desain itu ya?
Harmoni, apa itu?
Iya. Ya Mbak itu orangnya nggak muncul loh Mbak. Silakan Mbak keluar Mbak. Dari dulu loh, dari kemarin loh ini. Tulis itu.
Tapi sampun saya nyalakan niku, Pak.
Ada gambarnya. Mbak Ernanya ada di ini, di layar laptopnya ada.
Nggak tahu, Pak.
Loh kok nggak tahu? Itu kan ada gambar tulisannya please start Minicam itu loh. Apa itu ya? Oke, silakan.
Ada tulisannya niku, Pak. Tulisannya
iya.
nggak ada. Di
Mestinya ada
laptop saya
orangnya.
nggak ada.
Mestinya ada orangnya, Mbak. Silakan. Oke, Mbak Titis mau muncul. Silakan keluar, Mbak Erna.
Iya, Pak.
Oke, sekarang ya silakan Mbak Titis.
Iya, Pak.
Ini suara burung ya?
Sudah, Pak.
Belum. Pakai HP saja, Mbak. HP saja, Mbak.
Oh iya, Pak.
Ya.
Benar, Pak. Ini. Benar, Pak. Ini.
Laptop ini. Oh.
Masih belum bisa, Pak, ini.
Iya, belum. Muncul ini ya. HP-nya muncul. Nah, itu muncul. Nah. Ya. Ini menggunakan HP atau laptop, Mbak? Kayaknya laptop ya.
Ini HP, Pak.
Hah? HP?
Ini saya coba yang pakai HP. Iya.
Nah,
Tapi
ya,
masih
coba.
loading.
Oke, tinggal dulu. Tinggal lagi. Siapa tadi? Ya. Mbak Nur ya, Nuriza. Iya, Nuriza. Kameranya benar Mbak Nuriza. Itu kelihatan ujung kepalanya aja yang kelihatan. Nah, oke. Aduh. Itu ada yang kerja ya?
Iya, mungkin sedikit mengganggu. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Oh, I would like to explain how to solve a question about ratio. Atau saya minta berhenti dulu, Pak?
Nggak ada apa-apa kok, sebentar. Ya.
John has 30 marbles, 18 of which are red, and 12 of which are blue. Jane has 20 marbles. All of them either red or blue. If the ratio of the red marbles to the blue marbles is the same for both John and Jane, then how many red and blue marbles does Jane have? If we use assumption X is the number of blue marbles for Jane, so the number of red marbles for Jane is 20 minus X. Now, find the ratio. The ratio of the red marbles to the blue marbles is the same for both John and Jane. So, if John has 30 marbles, 18 of which are red and 12 of which are blue, we can arrange red over blue equals 18 over 12, and we can simplify by dividing both of them with 6, and we get 3 over 2. The same ratio for Jane. So, red over blue equals 3 over 2 equals 20 minus X over X. 3 over 2 equals 20 minus X over X. So, we times both of them with 2 times X. And we get X equals 2 times 20 minus X. 3x equals 40 minus 2x, and we get 5x equals 40. If we divided both of them with 5, we get x equals 40 divided 5 equals x. So, Jane have x blue marbles, and 20 minus x equals 12. It's red marble of Jane. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Itu 8, bukan X ya Pak ya. 8.
8.
8.
8.
Who's next? Ya, Mbak Nuriza udah 2 kali, tahu nggak salah ya Mbak Nia?
Ya, udah.
Ya, Mbak Nia, let's go. Oke, Mbak Nia.
Sudah, Pak.
Belum? Ya. Oke, Mbak Nia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I will present about word comparison. A comparison of value is a comparison of two entities where a variable increase, then the other variable are also called a comparison that has the same value. The formula is A1 over B1 equals A2 over B2. Next, for example, a house is worked on by 6 workers. It costs 300,000 to pay it. However, the homeowner will spend at the completion time to show that the workers will be active to 8 people. How much money is spent on the salary? The answer equals 6, B1 equals 3,000, A2 equals 8, and B2 is what we are looking for. So we should back to the formula. The formula is A1 equals B1, A1 over B1, A2 over B2. So 6 over 300,000 equals 8 over B2. 6B2 is equal 8 times 300,000. 6B2 is equal 2,400,000. B2 is 2,400,000 over 6. B2 is equals 400,000. So the amount of money spent of salary is 400,000 rupiahs. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks Mbak Nia. Okay. Silakan keluar. Okay, who's next? Ya, Mbak Nia ada 2 kali terus ya. Kalau mau keluar, mau ini meninggalkan ruangan, silakan. Ya, Mbak Titis lagi.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Oke.
Yes, sir. Sudah, sir.
Ya, tapi tidak ada isinya. Nah, ya, oke. Oke, sekarang Mbak. Alhamdulillah. Let's go. Silakan Mbak Titis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I will explain offset. Such is set word element are find other set. Set A is a set of B. Each member of A is member written with the notation can read a subset of set B and B contain A. Given set of B equals A, B, C, D. We can see which means set B with member A, B, C, D. For example, given set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and if B equals 1, 2, 4, the right statement that is B is subset of set A because each member of B is member of A, namely 1, 2, 4. Given that set of P equals 1, 2, 3, find the subset of P that have 1 member and 2 members. We can use with Pascal triangles. The number of members of set P is 3. This is so mean that the number of subset of P that has 1 member like this, and it is mean that the number of subset of P that has 2 members like this. Next, the number of subset of a set A. The number of subset of a set that has many n members is determined by the formula 2 raised to the power of n. Example, given the set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the number of a subset of A. The number of members of set A is 4, namely 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, the number of subsets of set A is 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 16. Enough, sir. Thank you.
Oke, yang sudah 2 kali boleh meninggalkan ruangan. Berarti ini belum Evi, gimana Evi?
Sudah saya, Pak.
Sudah, silakan meninggalkan ruangan. Saya mau ngecek ini, Mbak.
Meninggalkan,
Iya,
Sir.
meninggalkan ruangan, keluar. Nuriza? Ya. Nuriza? Oke. Kemudian Nur Iza Ahmad sudah 2 kali ya? Oke. Istiqomah? Nah, sudah keluar dia. Ini siapa ini? Sebentar. Oke. Oke. Nuriza sudah berapa kali? Nuriza?
Mohon maaf Pak, Nur Iza sudah keluar. Tadi sudah 2 kali Pak.
Oke. Mbak Titis?
Sudah Pak, barusan tadi.
Oke, ya. Ya. Dengan demikian ya, oke. Saya akan akhir rekaman ini. Ya, tadi itu Mbak Titis ininya apa PowerPoint itu tidak bergerak loh. Ya.
Oh, iya Pak. Terus bagaimana Pak ini?
Tidak apa-apa.
Atau bagaimana?
Tidak usah kok. Yang penting kan bicaranya. Oke.
Iya Pak.
Siapa yang baru masuk ini siapa ini?
Saya, Sir. Tadi pas keluar dipanggil ada apa ya, Sir?
Oh, sudah. Tidak apa-apa nggak? Iya. Kangen aja gitu. Ya, ya. Oke, kita akhiri dulu ya. Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permisi, Sir.
Ya, sama-sama. Jadi, yuk.